Hello G.I. Joe and 1/18 scale fans, this is The Human Mechanism. Do you like customizing vehicles? Do you like the variety offered by Marauders Gunrunners? Then you might want to pay attention to this video, because we're going to be talking about a company called Wayward Goat Collectibles, and a little something they're offering called the Modular Armored Range Vehicle, or MARV for short. According to them, the MARV is being developed for use with your favorite 4-inch and 1/18 scale action figures. Their goal is to provide collectors with a new vehicle option that combines a high level of detail and functionality. The MARV will also support a wide variety of add-on parts and accessory pieces, which are being planned as kits available separately. So in short, they are designing a highly modular MRAP type vehicle, specifically for G.I. Joe scale figures. It appears to be based on multiple vehicles. One person, I believe on the HisTank forums, said it appeared to be based on the American MATV, as well as the Australian Hawkeye, and I do believe they are correct. Now, up until recently, most of what we saw of the MARV were 3D concept pictures and 3D turnarounds. However, as of 2 days ago, August 22nd, a full prototype was completed. Along with the announcement of the prototype's completion, Wayward Goat also announced the creation of an upcoming Kickstarter. Now, what do I think of this? I cannot possibly think of a better concept. It's looking very promising. This is a G.I. Joe fan's dream. A highly modular vehicle that we can modify to fit our requirements is something that any Joe fan would want. Links to the Wayward Goat Collectibles Facebook page will be in the description. Check them out and follow them if you want to stay up to date with the latest news on the modular range armored vehicle. I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to spread the word about this awesome concept. Till next time, this is The Human Mechanism. Yo Joe.